Students, today we are seeing the next application of the determinant, that is the consistency of the equations in a two variable. Here, let us consider the three equations of the two variable. Here, consider the equations, okay, of two variable. Okay, then equation of two variable, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then here the three equations, so we can write a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. It is equation number 1. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is equation number 2. And a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. It is equation number 3. Now here consistency of equation. Consistent equation means the equation have the common solution. Okay, if these three equations have common solution, then the three equations are the consistent. Okay, here common solution, we know that it is a common solution, it is a point of intersection between lines. Okay, here it is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is an equation of line. It is an equation in a two variable. Okay, it is a linear equation in a two variable, that is x and y, and it represents a straight line. Okay, ax plus by plus c. Now we know that if any two equations, okay, suppose we can take any two equations, it is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second equation it is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here these equations have a point of intersection. That means the point of intersection, it is a common solution of these two equations. Okay, here you have already studied in the class 10. It is a point of intersection, it is a common solution of these two lines. But for these two lines there are three cases. Okay, if the lines are intersect, then there is a common solution. If lines are parallel, then there is no solution. Okay, if lines are intersect, then there is a common solution. Okay, and if the two lines are the parallel, then there is no solution. And third condition, suppose it is a first, it is second, and third condition, if lines are the coincident, okay, the two lines are the coincident, then they have infinitely many solutions. Okay, these are the three conditions. Then if the two lines are the consistent, that means they have the common solution. Okay, here we can write the first condition. It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and find the point of intersection. In the class 10 you have also solved by the Cramer's rule or the graphical method. Okay, draw a graph of these two lines and find the point of intersection, that is the common solution. Now here these two equations have the common solution if it is a1 upon a2, it is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it has a common solution. Okay, that means lines are the consistent. Okay, then in this the second condition, if the lines are the parallel, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Here it is a constant. Here a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, the ratio of these two coefficients are the same. That means the slopes of the lines are same. Okay, if the slopes of lines are same, then lines are the parallel. Or the third condition, if the slopes of lines are same, if the lines are the coincident, that is a1 is equal to a2, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 and is equal to c1 upon c2, that is the third condition, that is the lines are the coincident. That means here lines are consistent and have unique solution. In this lines are not consistent. Okay, here lines are not consistent, therefore they have no solution. And here in this case lines are consistent and infinitely many solution. Okay, here a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Okay, here infinitely many solution. Okay, here we can consider two equations. Suppose here it is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and the second equation it is 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here for the case first, see carefully, it is a case first, it is a 2 upon 3 is not equal to 3 upon 1. Okay, it is. Therefore lines are the consistent, that means they have a common solution. Okay, lines are consistent. Okay, consistent. Then second case, it is the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel means they have same slope. Okay, slopes are the equal. So we can write here, it is a 2x plus 3y plus 4. It is equation number 1, same as it is. And the second equation, see carefully, it is a 4x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0. In this case, here it is a 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. 2 by 4 it is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 it is 1 by 2, but is not equal to 4 by 7. That means they have no solution. Okay, here not consistent. Okay, and the last equation we can write here, it is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and here it is a 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Then here 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. Okay, both are equal. Therefore consistent and infinitely many solution. Okay, see carefully here. These are the three conditions. If two lines in a plane, then that are the intersect each other or parallel to each other or the coincident. Okay, then in two lines there is a common solution, that means the lines are the consistent. Okay, if in that two lines there is a common solution, then the lines are the consistent. Okay, here for the consistency there is a case, here we can take only two equations. Okay, here this condition for only two equation, if the lines are consistent, there it is a condition for the consistency. It is not consistent, and here it is consistent but infinitely many solution. It is consistent and it is a unique solution, that is intersecting line, parallel line and the coincident lines. Okay, here see the examples. It is the first example. Okay, now it is first, then it is second, it is third example. Okay, here first lines are intersect, that is a unique solution, only one common solution. There is a no solution, and here infinitely many common solution. Then 1 and 3 are the consistent, but here it is one solution, unique solution, it is many solution. And the second lines are the parallel, there is a no solution, that means lines are not consistent. These conditions for the two lines, that is the two equations, two linear equations in the variable x and y. But now here we are given that there are three equations. Okay, in this. Now the condition for the consistency of three equations in two variable. Okay, see carefully, three equations in two variable, and consistency means they have the common solution. Okay, they have a common solution, that means here we can now here three equations, first, second and third. Okay, here if two equations have a common solution, that means two equations are intersect each other, then the third equation is also passing through the point of intersection, that means it is a common solution of the three equations. That means the three lines are the consistent. These are the equations of lines. These three lines are the consistent. Okay, consistent means they have the common solution. If these three equations have common solution, that means the three equations are the consistents. Okay, three equations are the consistent equation. Now we see the condition for the consistency of three equations in a two variable. Okay, now we can write the condition here. The necessary condition the necessary condition for the equations, these equations are consistent here is here determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2, A3, B3 and C3 is equal to 0. Okay. Here, if the value of this determinant is a 0, then these three equations are the consistent. Value of this determinant is a 0. Okay. It is a necessary condition. Determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 and A3, B3, C3 are the some real numbers. Okay. And the determinant of this term, it is a 0, then the equations are the consistent. That means they have the common solution. Okay. But these are the real numbers. Okay. Here, if the equation 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, second equation we take, it is a 4x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0, and third equation, suppose it is 6x plus 9y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we consider these three equations. We have to check it is consistent or not. Okay, and it is a necessary condition for the consistency. Now we can find the determinant. It is a 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 6, 9 and 1. Okay, see carefully. Then find the determinant. It is a 2 into, delete the row and column of the element 2 and find the determinant of this term. It is a 6 minus 63. 6 minus 63. Then change the sign of middle term. Then 4 minus, it is a 42. And plus 4 into 36 minus 36. 36 minus 36. And take the calculation. It is minus 57. Minus 57 into 2. It is a minus 114. Here it is a minus 38. Minus 38 into minus 3. Again it is 114, but it is plus, it is minus and it is minus. Plus 114 and plus 36 minus 36, 0, 0 into 4, 0. And then it is a 0. Now, the value of this determinant, it is a 0. Okay. Therefore, these three lines are the consistent. Okay. These three lines are the consistent. But here, check this. 2x plus 3y. Here 4x plus 6y. And 6x plus 9y. Slope of the all lines. It is a minus 2 by 3, it is minus 4 by 6, that means minus 2 by 3, and minus 6 by 9, that means again minus 2 by 3. Slopes of all three lines are the same, that means three lines are the parallel. These three lines, okay, here it is 1, 2 and 3. It is 1, 2 and 3. These three lines are the parallel, that means they have no common solution. And it is a necessary condition for the three lines are the consistent. It is not necessary and sufficient. Okay, sufficient, it is a general form. Here, first, this is a, see, this is necessary condition. It is A1, B1, C1 determinant. Okay, here, in case this, the value of this determinant is also 0. But by this condition, the lines are consistent, but the lines are the parallel. So lines are not consistent because they have no common solution. Okay, lines are parallel. Okay, here, out of three equations, if any two lines are the parallel, okay, here we can take this type. Okay, if any two lines are the parallel, then here 1 and here 1. Okay, if the all three lines are the parallel, then the value of determinant is 0. Okay, value of determinant 0, but lines are not consistent because they are the parallel to each other. If all three lines are the parallel, that means the lines are not consistent. Then we take at least two lines. Okay, any two lines. In the first example, we can take all three lines are the parallel. At least any two lines. Okay, any two lines are the parallel. First and second, or second and third, or first and third. Okay, any two lines are the parallel. Then we get this condition. Now here, then it is 2 into 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7. minus 3 into 4 minus 7 and plus 4 into 4 minus 6. It is 4 and minus 6, and then take a calculation. It is minus 1, therefore it is minus 2. It is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3, it is a plus 9. Minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, and here minus 2, it is a minus 8, and then it is minus 10 plus 9, it is a minus 1, which is not equal to 0. That means these three equations are not consistent. If any two lines, here any two lines, that out of three lines, here two lines are the parallel. Here we can take first and second, it is parallel, and third line is not parallel, so this line we can take. That means there is a no common solution in all three lines. Okay, here there is a common solution, it is 1 and 3 and 2 and 3, but there is a no common solution of the equation 1, 2 and 3. That means if any two lines are the parallel, then there is a no common solution. That means the lines are not consistent. So here one is a condition, provided this determinant 0, provided the determinant of a1, b1, a1 and b1 are the coefficient of x and y, a2, b2 is not equal to 0. Okay. If the value of this determinant is 0, then the lines are not consistent. Here a1, a2, b1, b2, it is a 12 minus 12, it is a 0. Okay. Here we can take only first and second lines are the parallel. If the first and third line is parallel, or provided it is a first condition, or a1, b1, a3, b3 is not equal to 0. Determinant of a1, b1 and it is a3, b3 is not equal to 0. Or if the second and third lines are the parallel, then determinant of a2, b2 and a3, b3 is not equal to 0. Then the lines are consistent. First, it is determinant of a1, b1, a2, b2 is not equal to 0. That means out of three lines there is a no parallel lines. Okay, it is a1, b, it is first, second and third. Okay, here if there is a no parallel line, that means a1, determinant of a1, b1, a2, b2 is not equal to 0, and this determinant is 0, then the lines are consistent. If the value of determinant is 0, in the first case the three lines are the parallel. If all three lines are the parallel, then obviously the determinant is 0. Okay, because their rows or the columns, any two rows or any columns are the same, and then by the property of determinant, it is the value of the determinant is 0 because they are the parallel to each other. If the lines are parallel to each other, then the determinant obviously 0. Okay, all three lines are the parallel, then the determinant obviously 0, but that lines are not consistent because they have not common solution. At least any two lines are the parallel, then also there is a no common solution. That means lines are not consistent. If here it is, suppose we can take another line, 4x plus 6y and plus 8. Okay, now see carefully here. Okay. Here we can take, it is the first condition, three lines are the parallel. Then second condition, take at least two lines are the parallel, then lines are not consistent. Now we can take the third condition, see carefully. Okay, here first and third line, first and third line, it is a, check this, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Okay, here 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. It is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and it is 1 by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, there is a ratio and all are the same. That means lines are the coincident. That means in line 1 and 3 are the coincident. That means they have infinitely many solutions. Line 1 and 2. Okay, that means that lines are the consistent but infinitely many solutions. But line consistent, which lines are the consistent? Line 1 and 3. But we have to check line 1, 2 and 3 are consistent, and then third line is like that. And here in the line 1 and 2 and the line, it is 1 and 3 and the line 2, there is only one common solution. There is only one common solution. That means the lines are the consistent. Okay, here line 1, 3 have infinitely many solutions, but line 1, 3 and 2 have only one common solution. So these lines are the consistent. If any two lines out of 3 are coincides, if any two lines out of 3 are the coincides, then the lines are consistent. That means they have the common solution. Okay, listen carefully. If any two lines out of 3 are the coincides, then three lines are the coincident. Okay, here if the third line intersect the two lines, okay, here these two lines are the consistent. So it is, these two lines are obviously consistent because they are the coincides, but it is the third line intersected. That means the three lines are the consistent, and it is a common solution of these two lines. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, here remember this. If three lines are the, if we check the three lines, that is three equations in a variable, two variable x and y are consistent, there is a condition, this determinant is 0 provided a1 b1, determinant of a1 b1 a2 b2 is not equal to 0, or determinant of a1 b1 a3 b3, or determinant of a2 b2 a3 b3 is not equal to 0, then the consistent. If here we can take here determinant a2, it is a1 b1 and a2 b2, here we can take a3 b3 is not equal to 0, and a2 b2 a3 b3 not equal to 0, or okay, this determinant not equal to 0, or this determinant not equal to 0, or this determinant is not equal to 0. That means the line, any two lines are not parallel. If any two lines are parallel, then there is no common solution, therefore lines are not consistent. Okay, here see carefully the condition for the consistency of the lines. Now we see the examples in the exercise 4.3 on the consistency of the line. Here it is the third example. Examine the consistency of the following equations. Okay, here we can solve one by one. First example, given equations here 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Second, 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And third, 11x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. These are the three equations. We can check these three equations are the consistent or not. Okay, here that means determinant of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3, if this determinant is equal to 0, then the lines are the consistent, and if the determinant is not equal to 0, then the lines are the not consistent. But it is a before that we can check the lines are the parallel or not. That means the coefficient of x and y of the equations are the proportional or not. It is 2 by 3 and it is minus 1 by 1. Okay, that are not equal. It is a 2 by 11 and it is minus 1 by 2, not equal. Here 3 by 11 and it is a 1 by 2, not equal. That means our provided condition is that is the determinant of a1 a2 and a1 determinant of, see carefully here, a1 b1 and a2 b2 is not equal to 0 in this a1 b1 a2 b2, or a2 b2 a3 b3, this, or a1 b1 a3 b3 is not equal to 0 in this case. Okay, only check this. Okay, if anyone it is a 0, then the equations are not consistent. Okay, now we check the determinant. Therefore it is 2 minus 1 3, 3, 1, minus 2, and it is 11, 2 and minus 3. We can find the value of this determinant. If the value of this determinant it is a 0, then lines are the consistent, and if the value of determinant is not equal to 0, then lines are not consistent. Okay, here then it is a 2 into minus 3 minus the multiplication of these two terms, it is a plus 4, because multiplication it is a minus. Change the sign of the middle term, that is a plus 1 into minus 9 minus, it is a minus 22, so we can write plus 22, and third number as it is, that is a plus 3. Okay, then 6 minus 11, 6 minus 11, and then it is 1 into 2, 2, then 22 minus 9, 22 minus 9, it is a 13. Okay, plus 13, plus 13 into 1, it is a plus 13, and last here 6 minus 11, it is a minus 5, minus 5 into plus 3, it is a minus 15, and this is equal to 0, and therefore equations are consistent. Equations are the consistent. Okay, determinant is equal to 0. Now we can check the second example. Here given equations, 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Then second equation, see carefully, it is x plus y, 2y is equal to 3. This equation can be written as x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. And third equation, it is 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can find the determinant. Okay, first we check a1, b1, a2, b2 and a3, b3. It is 2 by 1 and it is 3 by 2. Okay, not equal. 1 by 3, 2 by 4. Okay, not equal. Or 2 by 3 and it is a 3 by 4 are also not equal. Check the coefficient of the x and y. That means our provided condition, it is determinant of a1, b1, a2, b2 not equal to 0 first, and then check this determinant. Or determinant a1, b1, a3, b3, or determinant of a2, b2, a3, b3. Okay, here coefficient of x and y. Okay, that means the lines are parallel or not, we can check first. Okay, then it is a 2, 3, minus 4, 1, 2 and minus 3, 3, 4 and 5. Now find the determinant. 2 into 10 plus 12, see carefully, 10 the multiplication of these two terms, 10 minus multiplication of these two terms, multiplication it is a minus 12, so we can write here plus 12. Change the sign of the middle term, minus 3, again 3 is a column and row सोडून द्या. It is 1 into 5, 5 minus 3 into 3, it is a minus 9, so we can write here plus 9. Third term as it is, minus 4, it is a minus 4, only change the sign of the middle term. Then 4 minus 6, it is a 4 minus 6, and now it is 22, therefore it is a 44, 22 into 2. Now here 5 plus 9, it is a 14. Okay, 14 into 3 minus 42, see carefully. Okay, it is a minus 42, and here it is a minus 2 into this minus 4, it is a plus 8, see carefully. Minus 2 and it is minus 4, it is a plus 8. Then the calculation is, okay, here we can write here 4 minus 42, it is a 4, sorry, it is 2. 44 minus 42, it is a 2, and 2 plus 8, it is a 10, and which is not equal to 0. Therefore the value of this determinant is not equal to 0. That means the three equations have no common solution. Okay, and therefore equations are not consistent. Okay, equations are not consistent, that means these three equations have no common solution. Now we can take the last example. It is the third example. Given equation, x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 7x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we can first find the determinant. Okay, first we check here. It is 1 by 7 and 2 by 4, that is 1 by 4, but here 1 by 2 and here 2 by 4. Okay, the equation number 1 and 3 here. In the equation number 1 and 3, here 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and is equal to minus 3 by 6, both are the equal. Okay, here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2, and again it is 1 by 2. That means the equation 1 and 3 are the coincident lines. Equation 1 and 3 are the coincident. Equation 1 and 3 are the coincides. That means they have infinitely many solutions. But we want to find the common solution, or we want to find the condition for the common solution, that is the consistency of the lines. These three lines, okay, not only these two lines. Okay, these two lines 1 and 3 are infinitely many solutions because their lines are the consistent, and if the second line is also intersect, then there is a one common solution. That means that is the consistent lines. Okay, consistent equation. Now we check if the determinant is 0. Here determinant is always 0 because these two lines are the coincides. That means two rows of the determinant are the equal, then the value of the determinant is 0. Okay, here we can check determinant. We can find determinant 1, 2 and minus 3. Here if we divided by 2, here it is 1, 2 and here minus 3. That means equation 1 we get. Okay, but we can write same 7, 4 and it is minus 11. 2, 4 and minus 6. The value of this determinant is always 0 because here 2, 4, minus 6. We can take a 2 common, then here 1, 2 and minus 3. 1, 2 and minus 3. If two rows in the determinant are same, then the value of determinant is 0. It is a property of determinant. Okay, now here we can find this determinant. 1 into this minus 24 plus 44, minus 24 plus 44, minus 2 into minus 42, minus 42 and plus 22, plus 22, and minus 3 into it is 28 minus 8. Okay, 28 minus 8, and then it is 24 minus 44, it is a plus 20, so it is a 20. Then minus 42 plus 22, it is minus 20, minus 20 into minus 2, it is a plus 40. And now here it is 20 into minus 3, it is a minus 60, and which is 0, and therefore equations are consistent. Okay, here one condition, it is a1 b1. See carefully, a1 b1 and a3 b3 is equal to 0. Okay, when this is equal to 0, then the lines are not consistent. But here not only a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, here again third condition, it is c1 upon c2 is also same for the 1 and 2. So these equations are the consistent. If in case there is 6 replaced by 7, that means these three equations are not consistent. Okay, because this is 0. Okay, 1 by 2 and it is 1 by 2, and here it is a 7. It is not c1 upon c2, not equal. These three equations are not consistent, but given example is in the form of, here it is a 6. Okay, it is a given example. Okay, now we see the next example in this exercise. this exercise, question number 4, find k. Find k if the following equation are consistent. Following equations are consistent. First example, 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus k is equal to 0. And x minus 2y plus 3k is equal to 0. It is the first example. And the second, kx plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. And x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Here we want to find the value of k. Here we can find the solution of equation. First, given equations 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus k is equal to 0, and third equation it is x minus 2y plus 3k is equal to 0. These equations are consistent. Okay. Therefore, determinant of 2, 3 minus 2, 2, 4 minus k, x minus 2, 3 is equal to 0. Okay, here this is determinant. Now we know that the equations are consistent, therefore this determinant is equal to 0. Now first we solve this determinant and find the value of k. Okay, so it is 1. Okay, here now solve this determinant. It is a 2 into, see carefully, so it is a 3k. Okay, here 3k. Now here 2 into 12k minus 2k, see carefully, 2 into, eliminate row and column, 4 into 3, 12k, minus k into minus 2, it is a plus 2k. So the multiplication of this and multiplication of this, and then subtract the product of these two terms. Change the sign of middle term. 6k plus k, see carefully, 6k, and here multiplication it is a minus k, so we can write here plus k, minus 2 into minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here 12k minus 2k, it is a 10k calculation, see carefully, 12k minus 2k, it is a 10k, 10k into 2, therefore it is a 20k. 6k plus k, it is a 7k, therefore it is a minus 21k. Okay, and here minus 8, see carefully, minus 8 into minus 2, it is a plus 16. Plus 16 is equal to 0, and therefore here 20k, therefore it is a minus k plus 16 is equal to 0, and therefore k is equal to 16. It is the answer of the first question. K is equal to 16, 20k minus 21k. Now we see the second. In the second example, given equations kx plus 3y plus 1, kx plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Second, x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and the third, x plus y equal to 0. Okay, here these equations are consistent. therefore the determinant of k 3 1 1 2 1 and here 1 1 0 1 1 and 0 is equal to 0. This determinant is equal to 0 and therefore find the determinant. It is a k into 0 minus 1 0 and it is minus 1 minus 3 into again 0 minus 1 and plus 1 into 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then it is a minus k. See carefully. Minus 1 into k minus k. Minus 1 into minus 3 it is a plus 3. And here minus 1 into plus 1 it is a minus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. It is a plus 2. And then last answer it is a k is equal to 2. Okay, see carefully. K is equal to 2. Here these are the examples on the consistency of the three equations of two variable.